Welcome to Group F's Action Learning Project. How can robotics, or artificial intelligence, solve problems for Lend-Lease and our customers?
Today, it's commonly known and accepted that machine learning and robotics can help solve extremely complex problems. The challenge, however, is how these can be best applied to real-world issues.
The aim of the Action Learning Project was to develop an understanding into Lend-Lease services as a part of the wider Lend-Lease business. An idea was developed that could provide competitive advantage and potential future growth for the business, utilising Lend-Lease's innovation pathway. The first step in the process was allocating roles within the team. The roles we developed could be categorised into 5 main areas: leaders, researchers, interviewers, writers, and videographers. Each member of the team did individual research, and at the second group meeting we discussed our findings and developed our understanding of Lend-Lease services. From this, initial interviews were held with the Lend-Lease services team in Adelaide, which led to a greater understanding of the daily roles, commonly experienced problems on these projects, and key areas of development. Lend-Lease services interstate were contacted as a means to introduce a more diverse range of ideators and consequently enhance and develop our research.
Lend-Lease services are involved in many projects around Australia. From discussions held, there has been a recent shift in types of contracts being awarded. The Northern Connector project in Adelaide has been awarded under a performance-specified maintenance contract. This means a lump sum is provided to maintain operations of intelligent transportation systems 98% of the time. The contractor accepts responsibility on the performance of its ITS assets and can choose whether maintenance is undertaken proactively or reactively. For example, if a certain brand of media converter has a history of failing after an extended period of hot weather, a machine learning algorithm can determine the optimum time to conduct maintenance. This is known as proactive maintenance.
In order to understand the potential benefits for AI technology and its application to Lend-Lease services, certain assumptions were made to allow the project to make decisions and move forward, without being limited by areas beyond our current knowledge and capabilities. For example, we have assumed that the AI can be or has been developed for data to be effectively analysed to establish patterns that can be discerned and acted upon. Additionally, cost-effective maintenance schedules will need to take into account other activities occurring, such as peak traffic periods, major community events, and any relevant maintenance budget allocations, as well as reliable traffic data to predict travel times and routes when scheduling maintenance activities for contractors. The best test for these assumptions is to gather as much data as possible and create a reliable trend to baseline these assumptions, which can be validated during a future testing period.
Throughout the project, the whole team has developed a much greater awareness and appreciation of the Lend-Lease services business, particularly as their presence is limited in South Australia and all current projects are through the building and engineering businesses. We have learnt how the Lend-Lease services customer-centric focus is critical to the business's success, as the Lend-Lease services project is there to support the client and the operation of the asset for an extended period of time, whereas typical building and engineering projects focus on delivering an asset and handing over to the client to manage. There is an opportunity to use the integrated model within these Lend-Lease businesses to provide a whole-of-life approach for a client, offering design and construction services as well as operation, maintenance, and the integration approach would offer a client a one-stop shop that not many other competitors could provide. Utilising artificial intelligence to support Lend-Lease services operations can provide better outcomes for both the customer and the contractor. The client and its users are provided with reduced downtimes of assets and improved operation. Lend-Lease services could make more efficient and economic decisions using AI, which could provide a competitive advantage when tendering projects and an improved margin return on projects.
Artificial intelligence. It has only just begun.